Hey there, this is D with Digitech Drive, and in this video I'll be sharing with you an AI-powered content automation platform where you can fill in your inputs to generate unlimited content and save time and effort in the process. This tool is called Writesonic, and it has about 65 features like Article Writer 3.0, Facebook ads, landing pages, Quora answers, Twitter tweets, Instagram captions. You can supercharge your writing process. So all of this has been categorized into articles and blogs, ads and marketing tools, general writing, e-commerce, social media. Let's start with article and blogs and see what features they have. There's an AI article writer, there's Sonic editor, there's an article rewriter. So if you have an article you love to rewrite, you can choose this option. You can also get article ideas for your blog or your website. They've got a content rephraser where you can rephrase your content in a different voice and style to appeal to different readers. They've got article outline creator as well, article intros, everything a blogger would need. The next category is ads and marketing tools. Here you can create Facebook ads on the fly, LinkedIn ads, Google ad titles, Google ad descriptions, and many more. LinkedIn ad descriptions as well, Google ads. General writing, you can also create email subject lines to increase open rates. You can create cold emails, company bios, company mission statements, personal bios, and more. On the e-commerce, you can create Amazon sponsored brand ads headlines, Amazon product descriptions. So if you're an Amazon affiliate or an Amazon associate member, you would love this tool. It's going to be really helpful for your content creation. And there's the option to request a feature. When you click on that, it's going to take you to this page where you can write the title and details about the feature you'd love them to create. Several people had raised requests for various new features: plagiarism checker, LinkedIn profile about writer, brand name generator, text to voice. They actually check out these posts and react to them. So if you notice, there's a plagiarism checker with Writesonic, so you don't need to worry about the uniqueness of your article. Every article created by Writesonic is unique. They've got 24 languages you can use to create content. You can create it, you don't create content only in English, you can create in various other languages. And for the sake of this video, let's use the AI article writer to see how it works. Okay, there are 4 steps required to generate a unique article. The first here, where you come up with ideas, you have the option to write the topic that you like your blog to be about. How to start an online business. Okay, you can choose the language you want. There's several languages. Let's stick to English. The quality of the article, you have 4 types of qualities. You have economy, average, good, and premium. And this varies based on the quality and the number of words available to you. I'm going to talk more about this a little later in the video so you know the options you have and the pricing options as well for each quality. Now let's work with average. Okay, and then you click generate ideas. Alright, this is going to generate a number of intro ideas for your article. So we wrote how to start an online business and it generated other options. You may want your title to start with how to start an online business, a step-by-step guide, how to start an online business, a beginner's guide. So let's click this one, a step-by-step guide, and click generate intros. You have a series of intros created. Let's read this one. Most people have a basic understanding of what it means to start an online business. However, figuring out the ins and outs of starting one can be a challenge. If you're looking to get your feet wet, then look no further than starting an online business. This looks a little bit good, but let's just go down to read the other one as well. Are you ready to take the plunge and start your online business? If so, then you've come to the right place. In this article, you will learn everything you need to know about starting an online business. Okay. The next, are you tired of working in a cubicle and want to start your online business? Well, starting your own online business can be a great way to make money from home. Let's go with this one. It's kind of shorter. Okay. So now you have your title and your article intro. The next stage of the process is to generate an outline for your article. So you click on generate outlines. It's going to generate a number of outlines for you. This has been divided into 7 sections. So here you have section 1. What is an online business? Make money from home by doing simple SEO. Sell books online. Make money by writing ebooks. So it gives you a series of options or ways you can make money online. Let's go with the first, okay? This one. All right. So now you have 5 sections for your article, and you have the outline. You can always reorder this if you want make money with affiliate programs to appear first in your article. Immediately after the title, you may put it here, and then you just readjust the sections. If you want to edit, you can always delete stuff. Join or create a newsletter and make money newsletters. You could just delete this. Join or create a newsletter and make money. Okay. You could also add another outline, another section in your outline if you want to, or you can take it off as well. Okay. If you're okay with the outline, you can click on write an article, and it's going to generate a unique article for you. There you go. Your article has been generated, and the beautiful thing about this is it automatically generates an image as well in relation to the topic you're writing about. You see, how to start an online business, a step-by-step guide. You can always change this image if you don't want it, but you can see how smart Writesonic is. See the various sections of your article? They appear as subheadings in your article. Make money with affiliate programs. Need a pay-per-click advertising campaign. Join or create a newsletter and make money. So let's read a paragraph to see how intelligent this tool actually is. How close to human written content this can be. Blogging is a free way to make money online. You can start a blog by using various blogging platforms. For example, Blogger is free to use and has millions of bloggers. You can also sign up for paid blogging services like Blogger, WordPress, and Weebly. You can either self-fund your blog or use a subscription service like Jive, which allows you to collect money from all subscribers automatically. It doesn't sound like it was written by a robot, but an actual human being. I can assure you the quality of the articles from Writesonic, from my experience, has been great. You may want to try this out as well. So you have the option to either download the article onto your device or publish it to your WordPress site or your WordPress.com site, or just save it here on Writesonic or share the article with someone. You have the option to switch to other features of Writesonic. You have Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, Google ads. Let's go to e-commerce, for example. You want to create a product description. Just click on this. Okay. So you can write the name of your product or service. Put in the features or characteristics. Let's say Buddha's tea as it's written there. Buddha's tea. Product, service, or characteristics. You can say fruity white aroma from white hibiscus. This is just an example. Let's see what the AI does for us. You can choose a tone of voice. You can, if you want something professional, funny, dramatic, witty, excited, sarcastic, engaging. Let's go with engaging. Okay. You can choose the quality of your article. Let's keep it at average. And generate product descriptions. There you go. you have a few examples. Let's read this one down here. So this is a nice, quick and short product description for your Buddha tea. So you see how beautiful this product description is. I mean, you just wrote a short sentence here, a short product characteristic, and this is what you get as a great product description. So you can try out the various other features of Writesonic. This is an amazing tool. It can really boost your content creation and help you grow your online business faster. Now let's take a look at the pricing options. Okay, there's a free trial. You may want to start with this to try out the features and determine what works best for you. So you have access to almost all the features, but you're limited to 2,500 words and one user only. With the $15 per month offer, you have the option to use up to 12,000 words with one user. And the $19 per month option, you can have up to 19,000 words per month and one user only. 70 plus AI templates, 25 plus languages, a landing page generator. This is amazing. One-click WordPress export, Zapier integration, and many others. Just check them out. And there's also a beautiful feature I forgot to mention here, the Sonic Editor. This is like your writing assistant. Now this is you writing with the AI. This is very smart. Here you have the option to set the level of creativity you'd like the AI to use while writing. It controls the creativity level for the AI. A low creativity value will produce less random results that conform to your guidelines. An increased value will yield more creative results. So let's leave it as the default 0.6. It says write a minimum of 20 words to train the AI. Let's type something out. I love digital marketing. As a newbie in the online money making industry. Now I'm stuck. I don't know what else to write. Let's see. No, we haven't attained the 20 words required, so let's keep writing. I love digital marketing. As a newbie in the online money making industry, I have learned that it is very important to, I'm stuck again. I've got writer's block at this stage, so I can click on Write with AI and see the magic that occurs. Awesome. Now let's read this to be sure it actually makes sense. I love digital marketing. As a newbie in the online money making industry, I have learned that it's very important to learn the market and make it mine. I have been learning about digital marketing for about 4 years. I have been learning about SEO, PPC, and other online marketing techniques from online courses and from my peers in the industry. This is amazing. I mean, I couldn't get this straight out of my head, but the AI understood where I was heading to and suggested a great way to complete the paragraph. It even adds another paragraph for me. This is amazing, guys. And you can always rewrite this. If you do not like what you see, you can always delete, or you can, you can rephrase. You have the option to rephrase the entire paragraph or expand it or shorten it. Let's try to rephrase this and see what it gets us. Now you have options for various variations to this paragraph. Let's choose this one. I can now use these techniques to make money online. I build my own website to earn money through digital marketing. And there you go, as simple as that. If you do not like this one, you can change it out to this one, for example. And there you go. And you can keep writing. I love sharing my little experience with other newbies like me. And then I click Write with AI again, and it's going to generate more content based on that sentence. Isn't this amazing, guys? I mean, content creation is made super easy with Writesonic. That's it, a whole article generated for you. Amazing. And when you're done, you can just, save your article. You can download it here, or you can post it to your WordPress site, or you can share it. And it gives the total number of words in the article. Just 280 words generated in 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Without so much brain work on your part. So if you want to check out Writesonic and start with the free option, just check out the link in the description below this video and get started right away. It's an amazing tool, guys. I use it myself for my online business, and it makes our content creation super easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. Please click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. You can also leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know what kind of reviews you'd love to hear from us. Thank you.